chapter we'll look at the workbook and worksheet. So a file, some whatever we call it, very frequently most of the people say that this file name is channel marketing budget 1. So this is the common way of identifying a file, but the total name or name of this total thing, name of this file is, this is called the workbook. So we can say that the file is a workbook, workbook is a file, whatever you call it. So the spreadsheet, the most of the people say that this is a spreadsheet, channel marketing budget. This one is a worksheet. So here the name channel marketing budget in the bottom is the name of the worksheet. So in every workbook there is at least one worksheet. There might be many worksheets, so there should be at least one worksheet in every workbook. So a worksheet consists of rows and columns. So columns are vertical and rows are horizontal. So here the name of the column is F and the name of the row is 11. So every column and row has a name. And so now I will discuss about the cell. So here if you move the cursor here, like this 10, this specific box is called a cell, and every cell has their own address. So what is the name of the cell? What is the name of this cell? The address of this cell is H, and this one is 19. So the name of the address of this cell is H19, and you can see from here this is H19. So this is the address of this specific cell. So every box here has their own address. So every box is called box or whatever it is, every cell has their own address. So now let's discuss more about rows and column. In Excel there are total 16,384 columns. So after G you can see it starts from A, B. So whatever the final last column is X, F, D. So use collections, use spaces for your data. Now let's look at about the rows. How many total rows? So if you go from here, control and arrow down, you can see the last row is total 1,048,576 rows. That's a huge space for your data. So let's go to the next class.